Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pretty much get more RAM on your PC without buying it. And this is by utilizing virtual memory. And you can see if you go on down to Task Manager on your search, just type in Task Space Manager and open this up. Then go on down to Performances and Memory. You can see the amount of memory you have on your PC right here, what you actually have slotted. I have 48 GB right here, and 42% is used. But I want to show you my virtual memory right here. So in total, I actually have 64 GB committed. So this is able to actually increase the amount of RAM on my PC. Now, it's not going to be the exact same as what you have slotted. That's going to be used just slightly different. Now, the committed virtual memory down here will actually be used for more background processes, which will free up your actual RAM for more, strenuous tasks, maybe like gaming or something like that. So it definitely helps to have more virtual memory on your computer. So going down to search and type in advanced, and this should pop up where it says view advanced system settings. And then this box will appear. And then we want to go to where it says computer, hardware. The third option will be advanced. Go to performance and go to settings. Then go to the second option, advanced. Going down to virtual memory. So go to change. And I'm going to choose my Windows C drive where I have Windows on it. And I want to go to custom. Now, depending on how much virtual memory you actually want to add, it could really matter how the number that you're going to have in here. This is in MB, it's not in GB. So if you're trying to add 16 GB of RAM, whip out your calculator, and we're going to have to calculate this here. So 1 GB is 1024 MB. So let's go to calculator right here. So if I want to add 16 gigabytes, I want to times this by 1024. Go to equal, and this is the number. So I'm going to place this to the side. And I'm just going to set my initial size to the same thing as my max size. That'll probably give us the best performance. So I already have 64 gigabytes of, committed RAM. So I really don't need much more than that. I mean, if you notice that you're getting a huge performance by adding more, go ahead and just try a higher number. But this is a good initial number for me. You can look at your memory usage and see what you have. I'm at 42%. You can see it right here. If you're at like 80%, try even higher number. Maybe that will help out more. But this is a good one right here. So put that number in and then go to set and then go to OK. Now, this number might reflect right away in this task manager down here at the bottom under committed, or you might have to reset your computer. Just restart it, and then you should see that reflected in here. And for me, when I changed it, it pretty much reflected right away. I didn't have to really restart my computer. But that increased my total amount of memory that I can utilize on my PC here. So if you are using this, your RAM is going to transfer at a much higher rate, maybe like 80,000 for the transfer rate, versus your SSD is only going to transfer maybe like 7,000. If you got a super old hard drive or something like that, it's like 500 or 600. So your RAM is so much quicker than like your hard drive, but it's going to help free it up so you can actually use it in the important tasks that you want. Go ahead and try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.